We're doing a SOP template on how to use the Tapcon to carry a line across the floor vertically. What you want to do is you want to turn the power button on. You want to level your laser by leveling the 3 legs, 1, 2, and 3. When you're level, the bubble will be level. Setting up your laser on your mark on the ground. Pick a designated point down the line. You want to set up your prism card on your contact. And for instance, if he wants me to go to the right, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to push the right button.
I think that number you use is just for that remote.
Oh, it is?
Because the number on the side of the laser is a whole different number.
You hold it down, hold it down, hold it down, and stop.
VH4.
So what we did, held the button down, held the button down, release, everything stopped. If we want to go back to the left, we hold the left button. Over the top like you're looking at it. Left button goes left, right button goes right. With the Tapcon, you have to level it. There's 3 leveling legs, 2 in the back, 1 in the front. When you're done with the Tapcon, make sure that you put all these leveling legs back where they belong. You tighten them up so they don't fall off. Okay, when you're level, your bubble should be level. Over the top, pushing power. We have a mark on the ground we lined up to. All we want to do is take it and align it to our prism card. Heading down the line. So I have my partner with the prism card set up, and all he wants to do is get this guy to our perfect 0. So he sets his card up on his mark. We take the remote control, which seems to be the biggest problem child. We hit
the sleep button.
Hold down the XY button for about 1.5 seconds till the red light goes on. Now you have right and left controls. And it seems a little backwards, but if we were standing in this direction, it would make more sense. So now, to get him to line up, he's going to push one of the buttons until our prism card zeroes in. You can see it's walking over already. And the card will lock in. If your card doesn't lock in, you got to look behind the prism card. It could be bouncing off metal, wall, reflective, glass. Sometimes you have to put a piece of particle board or something to stop the laser from talking to inanimate objects. Now he's got it fine-tuned.
No. Still trying to get to the mark. It goes slow.
He just touches the button.
You hold it down for a second till you see it move, then let off.
Very sensitive release. Boom.
Almost.
You always set your laser prism card up as far as you can away. The further the distance, the more accurate.
There it is.
And now we're money. So now that we have a remote control, we've completely eliminated a second journeyman, making it 1 journeyman, which should be 200% profit increase. That's the Tapcon remote control. If you don't know how to use it, you didn't watch the video. Right, when dealing with the Tapcon, there are 2 buttons. There's an X button and a Y button. X button being for a vertical line sent around the room, and a Y button would be used for a horizontal level line. Same thing on the remote control. X for controlling vertical. Click another time. Y, you're running it to spin the room. So we put it back on X. You got to treat the left and right arrows just like you see on here. Left is left, right is right. So as long as I remember that and I walk over and I hit the left button, I can change the rotation of this and move it over till I hit my mark. You can see it traveling already.
Right there.
Pretty simple. Now that we got this SOP, we should never be able to forget how to do this. TapCon.